Governor of Enugu State, Governor Peter Mbah, has today commissioned a newly installed Enugu State-owned asphalt plant. This plant, which is the largest in this region, is capable of producing over 2.5 tons per minute. So far, we're talking about over 150 tons per hour. In the ceremony that took place today, the governor stated that he is committed to making sure that they also produce the inputs for this plant. So in a few days from now, he would also be inaugurating a mining plant, which will be in charge of crushing the stones that will be needed to feed this asphalt plant. The governor stated in the event today that the inauguration of this plant has brought his administration closer to achieving the goal of over 1,000 kilometers of roads per year. Knowing fully well that 1,000 kilometers of roads would be a target for 8 years, but he is committed to doing 1,000 kilometers per annum. So fam, let's know what you think about this from our end. Big congrats to the people of Enugu State. We can't wait to see the road projects come up. We can't wait to see Enugu transform to be that city it truly deserves. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because I bet you don't want to miss out on any of our videos. We'll catch you in our next video. Bye.